Let's look at one other option that Playwright gives, which is dialogues. So as you might know, JavaScript can actually generate dialogues on the fly in any given page if you add it. Um, so Playwright can actually natively handle these alerts, confirm or prompt dialogues. I've got an example in this page, which is hosted at the internet.herokuapp.com. Um, so this has all three examples, which is JS alert, confirm or prompt. Alert being just the OK button within text message, and a confirm has an OK and a cancel button. And a JS prompt basically allows you to add text and has an OK and a cancel button as well. And then this page also kind of notifies the results on the screen so that you'll know what exactly you did. So now let's go ahead and see how to automate it. Let me add a new file. All it is this dialogs.split.ts and the usual code test. So I'm going to write a bunch of tests to test alerts, confirm, and prompts. So let's write a function. I'm going to call the page to basically make page accessible to all the tests that I'm going to write. And I need a before each function to basically open a browser window, and I need to open this page because it's a different page which I'm going to run in the same workspace. I'm just creating a new browser window for us. And let me copy paste this link. Right. No, after each test is done, I need to close the browser. Keep it open. So that I do is wait. Yeah. Oh man, it's not close. That's all I need to do. All right. Now I need to validate whether the correct alert message is coming up or not. So let's validate the button by calling it page notificator. Then the button has text. Click for JS. Okay. Yeah. So now I need to click on this button. Now I need to make sure that the dialog pop-up open. So I'm going to create a listener which will look for this event using page.on, and I'm going to declare the dialog object. And I need to expect something on this, like message to be I am a yes on the it came with a capital A. And I need to accept the dialog. So now I'll have to make sure that I get the results properly. Yeah, result is basically the ID of the particular dialog. I mean, after the particular dialog gets accepted. Um, Now let me write the next method, which is for JS confirm. Here I'm going to actually split this into two. I'm going to first validate the OK button, and then I'll validate the cancel button. So I'm now going to call page again. As you might know, we have declared page already. Just going to investigate whether it has text on this page. Let place. I think, yeah, it was a PC. Now that I have my button ready, take out on dialog, and quickly listen to this event. Yes, confirm. Alright, so I need to click this button. After I click this button, I need to that the result is fine. Sorry. So let me store this result in a variable called confirm result, and verify this and this result location. Simple text and will be view clicked. Okay. Yeah, this should validate whether what button you actually pressed. Now let's try the cancel button. I'm just going to copy paste this whole thing. And yeah, cancel button. The only difference here is I'm going to dismiss the screen so that it presses the cancel button. So I'll wait. Dialog dot dismiss. So this will dismiss the button. Rest of it should be okay. Yeah, except for here. Cancel. Yeah, this should actually work. Now the third was basically the text input, right? Uh, so I think that should be an easy one as well. So all that I'll have to do is enter a text input. So I can do the same thing. Should display the correct prompt because it's not a confirm, and handle OK button, which is correct, and it should say JS prompt. The button should say, I mean, sorry, the dialog should say JS prompt, and I need to enter dialog.accept different input, test input. Let me change this a little to prompt button, and prompt button dot click, and prompt result, which is basically result, and then the answer, which is the test input that we entered. Okay, cool. So this should handle the prompt button. I hope I didn't make any mistake here, but anyways, let's run it later and check. Now for the cancel button, just have to change it a little instead of dialog.accept. All that I have to do is call dismiss. The value when you dismiss is usually null on the screen. So yeah, that should do. I also made a couple of fixes in the code. There was an uppercase C, so I just fixed that, and also added dialog.accept here as well. And yeah, there was one other issue. Instead of JS confirm, I have to change it to prompt, so I just made those changes as well. I hope you can follow it through in your code if you're following it along. Let me just run this quickly. Yeah, there you go.